Here we go. Good morning to you, everyone. We are in Seralim today, and this road is going to Betal Batim from Seralim. And few days back, I had reported about this garbage which is dumped on the roadside. You see all the construction waste, the stones, the broken stones, and the plastic bags on both the sides of the road. Okay, here you see. So I'm not sure if this is a part of Seralim or Betal Batim, but the board says thank you, visit again. So I think till here it's Seralim, and starting from here it's Betal Batim, but I'm not sure. But I'm just on this road heading towards Betal Batim. So here you see more garbage. Some of it, here are some baby pampers. So here in the fields as well, you see a lot of garbage, construction waste here. And let me go further down, because I can see something from here. Here as well, some black bags, a big black bag already in the field, not opened yet by the stray dogs. Here we go. Let me go on the other side. I see something else there, so let me take a quick U-turn, because I don't see anything further down there. Okay, so I'm taking a U-turn now, heading. Oh, someone coming. I need to wait. So I'm heading backwards towards Seralim, and I'm on the other side of the road. And here you see there's lots of garbage there in the fields, big black bags. Here they say no garbage zone, you will be fined 5,000. It's like a joke, because you see these boards everywhere in all the villages, and especially where there are boats, you see the garbage is dumped, big black bags. Here you see. So let me end my trip where I started. Okay, so I'm going back this place, nothing here. Okay, here there is lots. Let me stop and see if I find anything, like, no, I don't see anything here. Actually, I was looking out if I can see any packages with addresses or anything like that. So people have been very smart as well. They haven't been doing this. See all this construction waste here. It's more on this side, so I guess this is Seralim. This part belongs to Seralim, I guess. So here we see. Yes, well, lot. Let me stop, see if I can. No, I don't see any packages there, but if I go deep into that, if I open there, maybe I can find something. I don't want to do it now at this time. Hopefully some other time. Okay, so that's the end of the video. So till here on the Seralim Betal Batim road near the field.